Hello, I am going to demonstrate Canvas's conferencing feature. It's a really powerful feature that makes use of a GoToMeeting or a Zoom-like platform called Big Blue Button. Basically, it is a web conferencing platform that allows you to speak directly to your students, share your screen, get questions from them, see them face-to-face, provided they have a webcam, and the like. And it's a really handy feature for those times when we need to close school, say for an inclement weather event, or maybe you're not feeling well and you want to stay home and still hold class. You can do so through Conferences and Big Blue Button. So let me show you how to set it up. I am in a sandbox course, and in the sandbox course, Conferences happens to be hidden from the student view right now. So the first thing I need to do is to make sure that Conferences is available. To do that, I'm going to adjust my navigation. Go to Settings, the Navigation tab, and drag Conferences up above the text divider, and then click Save. And now Conferences is available to the students. They can see it. I know so because it does not have this slashed eyeball next to it. Okay, so now you want to set up a conference. And I'm going to demonstrate what I can on screen right now, but it gets a little tricky when I try to actually demonstrate a conference because then my computer doesn't know where to send my webcam info and where to send my screen grab info. So some of this I'll be able to demonstrate in real time. Some of this, I'm really not sure how I'm going to demonstrate it just yet. But it's really pretty simple to set one up. All you have to do is click on the blue Add Conference button. Give your conference a name. I will call this BBB Demo. It is a big blue button. You can set the duration if you want to. You can also say that there's no time limit if it's going to be a long-running conference. I'll just say 15 minutes. You can have the conferences recorded so that students who are not able to attend in real time can watch the recording later. So that's a good thing. They'll be able to watch the recording directly through Canvas. And here you can invite all course members. It's pretty much what you want to do. I'm not sure what happens if you tick the box. I think it gives you a list of users that you can select. Since I'm the only user, and actually this test student is the only user in here, invite all and invite the one is a little bit silly. So that's my BBB demo. Click Update. And now that new conference is available. The next thing you need to do is to click Start. And when you click Start, it will launch Big Blue Button. Now at this point, I'm not exactly sure what's going to happen in my video. So this may be a cut point and I do some more demonstration later, but we'll see. I'll go ahead and click Start and see what happens with my recording. So it will open into a web browser, and this is how it will ask you to join the audio. Now, using a microphone means you have to have a microphone on your computer. I happen to have a fairly nice microphone, but most laptops now have a microphone pretty much right in front of the webcam if they have one. Or listen only. This would be mostly for students who didn't have a microphone. You can also join by using your phone, which is a handy feature. I'll go ahead and join with my microphone. I'll allow it. And at this point, you probably won't be able to hear me anymore. This is an echo test. Yes, I heard the audio.
You are currently the only person in this conference.
Okay. So from here, I'm going to go ahead and full screen this. We have a chat area here. You can see and send text chats. And there are a number of different tools you can use. You can annotate the screen with text. This is, whoops, text annotate. Whoops, I am off my home row keys. Annotation. You can draw circles and triangles and squares, or you can free draw. You can, so there's the text, line, ellipse, triangle, square, free draw, the pan tool if you need it. You can undo the last annotation, that will take it off. You can trash all the annotations, that will take them all off. And you can also turn on a multi-user whiteboard that will allow everybody to contribute to the whiteboard. Could be helpful for a collaborative type project. I'll go ahead and turn that off. But one thing that you really might want to look into is upload a presentation. So here you can actually upload a PowerPoint presentation. I will browse for that file. Just pick that one, open it. It will go ahead and click upload. It will convert it and bring it into Big Blue Button, and you can present directly from your PowerPoint. It's really quite handy. Again, I'm not sure how much of this is getting captured right now. I may have to redo a whole lot of this, but we shall see. When you're ready to begin to start recording, maybe you've been setting things up before you get the students in, you click the Start Recording button. You can also pause it. It's now being recorded. And let's see what else. This plus action button, you can share a poll, get students to vote on things, see if they're understanding things. So I will say this is a yes/no poll. And I might just say, how is everybody doing? Are you understanding this? And then wait for those answers to come in. And back to polling options, polling, and nobody's going to vote. So I'm not really sure how to close that poll. Anywho, so those are some more options for you. When it's time to be done, what you do is you go ahead and pause the recording, and then you can end the meeting once you are done. End it, and it's okay. All right, so that is a quick demo of how to do a Big Blue Button web conference using Canvas. All right, we'll see what was captured and what wasn't. Talk to you soon.